Hello student, today we are going to discuss model paper for Mathematics 2 KAS 203. It is based on the AKT information for 4th year model paper. In that, the university said that there will be the 3 part in the question paper. In section A, there are 10 part and you have to attempt only 8 part. Each part of marks 3, that means total 24 marks. And for section B, you have to attempt out of 5 3 parts and each part 12 marks, that means total 36 marks. And in section C there will be 5 questions, 1 question from each module and you have to attempt only 2 questions. Each question for 20 marks, that means total 40 marks. And further internal choice will be there. So we start from section A. For making this video, I go to previous year papers and select the important questions so that you can achieve good marks in the university examination. So start from section A. Section A, if the 10 part you have to attempt 8 parts. So first part, find the PIO, particular integral of this d square minus 4d plus 4y equal to 8x square e to the power 2x sin 2x. We write this for PI, that is 1 upon d square minus 4d plus 4, that can be written as d minus 2 whole square 8x square e to the power 2x sin of 2x. And apply here e to the power x into b, replace d by d plus a and then solve this. There will be two double integration, integrate the function 2 times, we get the answer. Now next one, find the complementary function of this one. This is the variable coefficient differential equations, Legendre type equations. So suppose that 2x plus 3 equal to e to the power z, and then 2x plus 3y can be written as 2 dy, and 2x plus 3 square y double dash can be written as 2 square d minus 1 y. Replace here, convert into constant coefficient differential equations, and then we can solve in terms of z and then put the value of z. Now we come to the next part, C part. Find the Fourier coefficient b1 for fx equal to x minus x within the interval minus 1 to 1. The Fourier series can be written as fx equal to a naught upon 2 plus sigma a n cos n pi upon lx plus sigma b n sin n pi upon lx. Here L is equal to 1, we have to find out b1, and formula for bn is equal to 1 upon L minus L to L. Here because the lower limit is minus 1, upper limit is 1, minus 1 to 1, fx sin n pi upon lx dx. Put here n equal to 1 and L equal to 1. And then solve this. The given integration is a even integration. So you can write this 2 times so 0 to 1 integration and then solve. The next part, to that beta mn equal to beta m plus 1 n plus beta m n plus 1. So taking right hand part, or this open this beta m plus 1 n and m n plus 1. Solve this, we get the left hand side. Next part, define the Rabi's test. Write a Rabi's test and divergence convergence just conditions. In next part, find the image of circle modulus of z equal to 3 under the transformation w equal to 1 plus I z plus 3 plus 2i. Here you right hand side just separate the real and imaginary part and put z equal to x plus iy, separate real and imaginary part. Then we will get the value of u in terms of x, y and v in terms of xy. Put in this modulus z equal to 3 and find the transformation. In next part, find so that the real and imaginary part of an analytic function satisfied Laplace equations. What is the Laplace equation? That is del square u upon del x square plus del square v u upon del y square equal to 0. So write fz equal to u plus iv and then differentiate this and apply CR conditions. Then you can find out and you can solve these Laplace equations. In next part, integration 0 to 2 plus I mod z bar square dz along the real axis this one Z bar means x minus iy, that is square x minus iy whole square is all this one. And for real axis, y is equal to 0, that means z equal to x, dz equal to dx. And for y parallel to y axis, and this parallel to y axis, you can say that x equal to 0 here, and that means z equal to iy and dz equal to I dy, and then solve this. We can find the integration value of integrations. In next part, evaluate this integration e power 3z upon 2z minus 1 whole cube dz, where c is the modulus of z equal to 1 using Cauchy integration formula. So in Cauchy integration formula, there is integration c fz upon z minus z0 की power cube. So in this question, first take 2h common, and we get 1 upon 2 की power cube means 1 upon 8, and z minus 1 upon 2 की power 3. Now apply Cauchy integration formula. If you take this 2h common, then the answer will be wrong and number will be 0. So just remember this fact. Now we come to section B. In section A, you have to attempt only 8 parts. In section B, the 5 part, you have to attempt only 3 parts. And 3 into 12, that is 36 marks. First part is find the three solutions of differential equation 2x square y double dash plus xy dash minus 1 plus xy equal to 0. Find the three solutions of this one. Apply your Fibonacci method. Take y equal to sigma of an x power m plus r, and then find the value of y dash, y double dash, put here, find the value of m, and then we will find the value of y in terms of m. And on the basis of value of m, we will write the complete solutions. In second part, apply the Dirichlet integral, find the volume and mass contained in the solid region in the first octant of x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square equal to 1. So formula for volume in first octant is trivial integrations dx dy dz, and mass in first octant is trivial integration rho dx dy dz. Apply here Dirichlet formula and then we will solve. Now comes the next part, C part. Obtain the Fourier series of function fx equal to 1 plus 2x upon pi minus pi to 0 and minus 2x upon pi 0 to pi. And then find the value of this one. And for Fourier series, first check the given function is even or odd function. Write here x equal to minus x, we get this given function is an even function. That means Bn will be equal to 0. So first you should write the formula for Bn, and then write due to the odd function, total odd function, that means fx sin n pi upon lx is odd, so the given integration is 0. And then find the value of a naught and an, and put the appropriate value of x, we can solve this one. Next question, so that the function fz satisfied CR equation at origin, where fz is given by this one. If the function is analytic at z equal to 0, so first write here fz, the CR equation like del u by del x equal to limit x tending to 0, u x comma 0 minus u 0 upon x, that will be equal to 0. And like this find out del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del y, and that satisfied this CR equation. For analytic function, write f dash 0 is equal to limit z tending to 0 fz minus f0 upon z. And here y minus ix take minus ih common, so this, it will become say x plus iy. And then solve this, and in last put the y cube is equal to x ki power 4 into m. And then we will show that for the different value of m, the value of f dash 0 will be different. So we can say fz is not analytic here. Next questions, fz is equal to z plus 4 upon z plus 3 z minus 1 whole square, Lorentz series. In this question, first write the partial fraction a upon z plus 3, b upon z minus 1, c upon z minus 1 whole square. Then apply partial fractions, and then convert z plus 3 as z minus 1 plus 4, and according to conditions, we will find out Lorentz series using the binomial expansion. Now we come to the C part, section C. Section C part. In this question, attempt any two part of the following. Solve the simultaneous differential equations And then first we write this, the first equation as d minus 2 whole square x minus y equal to 0, and second equation as minus 25x plus d plus 2 whole square y equal to 16 e की power t. Eliminate y, then find the value of x, find CF and PI in terms of t. And then put the value of x in first equation, we will find out the value of y. In second part, use the variation to parameter method, solve this question. This is a variable coefficient differential equation. So first take x equal to e की power z, convert the given equation into constant coefficient equation, then apply the variation to parameter method. Next one is change of independent variable, solve these questions. Now comes question number 4, attempt any two parts. First part is prove that beta pq equal to this one. So taking right hand side, separate these both the integrations and then solve this. Section B part, this B part state and prove duplication formula. First write the duplication formula and prove that, and also prove that the value of this equal to 2 की power 1 by 3 root pi. So put the appropriate value of n in duplication formula, you can prove this one. Now we come to question number 5. In question number 5, attempt any one part, test the convergence or divergence of the series using the Rabi's test. First write the nth term will be x की power n upon 2n minus 1 into 2n. Then first apply the D'Alembert-Tissot test and find the convergence divergence for different value of x. When the test fails, then apply Rabi's test. You should remember that you cannot apply here the comparison test, you should apply the Rabi's test. The next part, find the half range sine and cosine series. Here you know that in sine and cosine series the value of L is equal to the upper limit and upper limit is 1, so L equal to 1. And then find the sine and cosine series for this one. Now we come next questions. And that means question number 6. Here attempt any one part of the following. Fz is equal to u plus iv is an analytic function. Find fz in terms of z. If u plus v is equal to 2 sin 2x upon e की power 2y plus e की power minus 2y minus 2 cos 2x. And first you write the value of e की power 2y plus e की power minus 2y in terms of hyperbolic function. We can write this is equal to 2 times of cos hyperbolic 2y. And then taking 2 common from numerator and denominator, and then you can solve this one, right? And in next question, find the bilinear transformation which map z equal to this 3 point in W. In this questions, we will apply the cross ratio, and cross ratio is z minus z1 upon z1 minus z2 into z2 minus z3 upon z3 minus z. That is equal to W minus W1 upon W1 minus W2 into W2 minus W3 upon W3 minus W. Apply this formula, then find the transformation. Convert the given transformation as z equal to some function of W. Put the value of W as u plus iv and z as x plus iv. Find the value of x and y in terms of u. And then we can find the image of this one. The last question is evaluate the integration using residue theorem. Here replace cos to theta is the real part of e की power I to theta and put e की power I theta equal to z. Convert the given integration in terms of z and then taking the upper half of the plane and find the singularity, and using residue theorem we will find out the answer. In next question, evaluate the integration using residue theorem minus infinity to infinity cos mx upon x square plus a square into x square plus b square dx. Here you should apply the real part of e की power imx, and this integration can be written as minus r to r e की power imx upon x square plus a square x square will be b square dx, real part of this one, and that can be written as integration e की power imz upon z square plus a square into z square plus b square, a real part of this one. And then solve this using residue theorem, we can find out the answer. Right, so this is the model paper. You should try the questions of this one, and if any problem then you can comment and subscribe my channel. If you like this, subscribe my channel. I will give the other questions and the solutions of this in next video. Okay, thank you very much.